Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Pots, Pans, and Priscilla. Today I am so excited because I am doing my first official clothing haul with Bloomchic. So let's get changing clothes. First of all, I want to thank Bloomchic for sending me all the pieces that you're going to see today for free. And if you want to purchase any of these items or anything on their website, I'm going to drop my link down in the comments. Plus, you can use my special discount code for 15% off your purchase. First, we have the notched collared pleated top, which I love. It's super breathable. I'm in Florida, so it's perfect for summer. I am wearing a size 18-20. Sorry, I had to check the tag. It is an 18-20. Like I said, super soft, and I like the sleeves on it because my arms are not my favorite thing. So I like that it comes down a little bit on the arms, and yeah, let me know what you think. There's also multiple colors, so if green's not your favorite, then you can pick something else. Next up, I don't know if you know this or not, but I am not a t-shirt girl, but this is like a fancy t-shirt. It has super cute sleeves. Again, those longer sleeves like I like. It's thinner material, which I love, but not like cheap. There's a difference. I love the collar or the neckline on it. That's awesome. I'm definitely like the V-neck. If anything that goes above my neck, I feel very like footballish. I think because I'm a plus size girl, it makes me feel like a linebacker, and we don't want that. This is also in a size 18-20, and I don't know, it makes me feel feminine. I feel like I could wear it to a football game, or maybe your kids have baseball on the weekend. Maybe just a girls' night out where you're a little more casual, maybe a movie night. So let me know, what do you think? Okay, I'm not gonna lie, this is one you gotta suck in for. It is stretchy material. It is another V-neck. Don't mind the weird bra I got going on. It's not working for me. It's a little lumpy and bumpy like me. I love the top, but I probably should have sized up on this one. Again, I love the longer sleeves, and it's gonna be good for summer. I feel like this is way more casual, especially for my liking. So this would be like running errands, headed to the beach, something like that. And it does come in multiple colors. I really like the blue. I think that matches my style. Like it goes with my eyes and my hair and all those things. So let me know. What do you think about it? But yeah, definitely more form-fitting. So this is not on the days when you're feeling a little chunky monkey, you know? You know what I'm saying? All right, y'all, it's gonna be a minute. I gotta take my pants off, but no looking. We're switching to dresses. You can see it in the mirror. You can see it in the mirror. We're all girls, right? If you're a boy, leave now. I'm glad that my cameraman, AKA my husband, saw that you guys could see me in the mirror behind us. So hopefully you didn't get a show. All right, I am feeling so flirty, so cute in this little dress. The number one question, does it have pockets? It does. So I don't care what you need to do, you need to get this dress because it has pockets. This is screaming like coffee and tea, garden party, like graduation. I mean, what would you wear this to? I do love it has a liner, so we don't want to see all of your bits and pieces, okay? It does have the liner. Again, the sleeves. I'm a big sleeves girl. I feel like the back is so cute. This is again in an 18-20, and you could wear it with flats, you could wear it with wedges, you could put a little sun hat on. I think it's so cute. And you can dance in it. Wow, look at what we have here. Okay, so this is on our day that we're feeling confident with our arms, or you could put a shirt over it or a jacket or something like that. But I really like it. It has a knotted halter top up here, but I also like that it's higher up, so it's not like too revealing because we don't want that. And I like that the armpits come up higher because I hate when I have like a halter dress, but it comes too far down here. It makes it super awkward. It has a cute little belt, and it has pockets. Very light and airy and flowy. Again, perfect for the summer, perfect for spring. So I feel like everybody needs this dress. So let me know if you like this, if this is something you would choose. Again, if you don't want to show your shoulders, your arms, you don't have to. You could put a little cardigan over top and it would be perfect. Talk about going out with a bang. I am a girl here for a cover up. I love this so much. This is perfect for out by the pool. Maybe you're going to the beach. Maybe you're going on a cruise and you want to be super cute and stylish. Don't worry if black's not your thing. It's available in plenty of other colors, but I love black. So yeah, I love the slit. Comes up the side. A little sexy for moms over 40. We still got it, girls. So comment down below, let me know, what do you think and what color would you get? Okay, I was gonna put real clothes back on, but you know, we all know how hard it is to change clothes over and over again, so we're done with that. I hope you guys enjoyed this little haul. Maybe we'll do it again. Let me know what you think. Again, that code is gonna be down in the comments as well as my link, so make sure you use it. You can save some money, help support me, and get cute clothes. And then I wanna know all the things that you buy from Bloomchic. So thanks for watching. Hit that thumbs up button and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.